Hello Ratana.
Hello teacher.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
Okay, I'm doing well. Ratana, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Okay, what's your surname?
My surname is Kham.
Kham. What's your full name?
My full name is Kham Ratana.
Okay, so what grade are you in?
I'm in grade 6.
Grade 6. How many subjects do you study at public school?
At public school, I study 6 subjects.
Okay, and what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay, mathematics. Ratana, where do you study English?
I study English at Edward International School.
Okay, and what time do you study English?
I study English when 32
From?
I study English from 12:30 to 10:30.
Okay. And how many hours do you study English per day?
I study 2 hours per day.
Okay, 2 hours per day. And how many days do you study English per week?
I study 5 days per week.
Okay, good. 5 days per week. Ratana, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is brown. Is black.
Black. How can you spell black?
Black box my I spell BLACK.
Okay, and what's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is onion.
Onion. How can you spell onion?
Onion. The marang I spell ONION.
Okay, and what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Dog. How can you spell dog?
Dog sky I spell DOG.
Okay, and what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Apple. How can you spell apple?
Apple like bomb I spell APPLE.
Okay, good. And Ratana, what's your favorite day?
My favorite day is Sunday.
Sunday. How can you spell Sunday?
Sunday I spell SUNDAY.
But Ratana, why do you like Sunday?
Because it is a holiday.
Okay, and the last question, what do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a policeman.
Wow, good. Thank you, Ratana.
To teacher.
Okay.